self-care part. The self-care part, which is very key and important, because without that, I couldn't move forward in doing what I do. This particular day, we'll go for a ride to one of my favorite places. It grounds me. It makes me feel good every single time. And it's not far from the home. So my husband drives me there whenever I'm stressed, overwhelmed, anxious, whatever the case may be. He knows what to do. And that's why I appreciate him and love him so much. I don't even have to ask, can you do this? He was like, do you want to go? He's like, whatever I can do, you're there. We're going to do it. We're going to go down to North Beach. I probably get some crabs because haven't been having a big appetite. So something small. That's what we're getting ready to do. So I'll see you guys shortly. Hello everyone. It feels like forever since I've actually picked up the camera to do a video. As you can see by the title, I've had loss in my family so unexpectedly, and still trying to accept that it has actually happened, so you can't give out of an empty cup, and mine has been empty. And trying to just be there for our family and just myself. Death is really a trigger for me regarding anxiety. It really is. So I had to take that time, be honest with myself, and deal with my emotions. And so that's what I've been trying to do and still doing. But today, my husband convinced me to come out. It's a Saturday, and he's taken to one of my favorite places that really does it for me, brings me calm, lets me think clearly, gives me peace. And so, yeah, him and Jordan are in the store right now. So once they come out, we're going to head down there. It's not far from home, so that's even better. And I'll pop back on and I guess show a little bit of our journey down to my complex. All right, see you guys in a sec. Alright, just made it down here. We're going to stop in Tyler's to see if they have any crabs for me first before we go look at the water. I have to wait till we walk up there. What do I want? Back on me. And are your meals heavy?
Yeah, we actually have a special number 2, 10.5.
Oh, they're smaller, but they're heavy. Okay. And they're heavy too. Okay. Which one you want, babe? So you want a dozen? I think a dozen will be okay. Yeah. That's perfect. That's perfect. Oh, David. We're going to do David. We are here at my happy place. At my happy place. Oh, look at that duck. Can you guys see it? You know, we're underwater, swimming in awe. Didn't even come back up yet. See that ship? Let me see if I can zoom in. It's out there. Yep. And that's the pier. Like if you wanted to walk the whole pier, you could go down there. More homes and I think apartment buildings too, but I think they're rentals. And other people. Let me zoom out. And you know what's so interesting? All of these benches were like, I guess the family paid for it, but all the benches have like a remembering whomever that they purchased for their family member. So that one. And this one. It's like every bench has something like this on it that a family member purchased in memory of them. Isn't that so cute? So cute. But that bench dirty. You want to sit over on this side? Look at it. You alright? Well, I don't want to sit on that. This one look clean. What is that back there? See that way back there, that orange looking whatever? Oh, a cargo ship? Yeah. Here I go, you guys. I'm finally down here. And it's a beautiful day. This is my happy place. It's my happy place. It's behind me. It's showing behind me. Mm-hmm.
She has it on her. She has it on her.
Beautiful. Can you guys hear the waves? Let me walk up to the pier. Maybe you can hear it a little better. I'm getting too close with my phone. You know I'm new at this, so I'm not doing that. Let me turn it around. Look. Let's see if this listen. Well, I'm gonna go have a seat, collect my thoughts, and we'll be back.
Oh, he's playing music.
Oh, I can't hear it. Put the window down. Let's see if we can hear his music. Oh, she got the bird on her shoulder. You know it's a beautiful day. They're actually on the beach today. I can't get up there close on the beach. I didn't know the beach was going to be open. But it is. And the people are out. Clearly, as you can see, the people are out. And this is where we normally get our funnel cakes. And why is my husband pulling up? But it's okay. And that's where that's the welcome center before you get on the pier. And walk down there. And that, you guys, is an absolute, sorry for the beeping, is an absolutely amazing library. Can you see that top deck part? It is absolutely amazing. The inside is so beautiful. It's fairly new. And I'm gonna go there one day and just study and look over the water. But that is a beautiful new library that they made. I'm so not getting a funnel cake, a hot dog, or nothing today. Maybe next weekend, but not today. Jordan, you want a funnel cake? Huh? You said what? No, I was saying that I wasn't going to go over and get one. I asked if you wanted one. Oh, okay. Yep, everybody realized the street. I would have loved to sit out there long if them bugs wasn't biting me. I didn't need no bugs beat you all up during the day, but I guess by the water they bite all day. So beautiful. Some of the shops. So cute. Just a little town. Right by the water. A little town. Look at the tiny post office. I couldn't get it. Go ahead. Where they going? Where they going? What they doing? What y'all doing? I'm gonna go on their market one day, baby, just to see what's in there. It looks dark though. They need a couple more lights. And look at this, y'all. It always looks like we're gonna drive into the water, even though the wall is right here. It's creepy even at night, but it's pretty. Oh, the tide is tiding. It is tiding. The tide is tiding. Ooh, what kind of dogs are those? They big. Big and old. Look at these houses, you guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love them. We have to get one as an Airbnb. I love them. I know the insurance has to be way high because they buy the water. I know the insurance is like, what? What? Oh, look at this one. Very nice. Very nice. And I love that one. Look at that one. I love this one. It's the colors for me on some of them. Look at this one. See it? Pretty good. Yeah, the color on that one. Look at her jamming. Go ahead. I don't know if they playing music or she just in a good mood, dancing by herself. Yeah, maybe someone had an event or something. It is so packed out here, more than usual. And look at the little restaurants, but they look like little houses, but they're under a tent. But they just look like they're so quaint. Hook and Vine. You have to look them up. See what their reviews are. Oh, right here on the corner. Oh, the sun is doing too much. Well, we're back home. Here's some of the crabs that we got from Tyler's today. Let me see if I can zoom in. These are males. They were out of females today, which is fine because I figured they have more stuff to clean out and I don't like them anyway. They're sweeter in taste, but too much stuff inside. So these are males. These were number ones. And this is what they look like. So if you're in the area, oh, yeah, these are number ones. So if you're in the area, stop by and check them out. Whew. So that was a beautiful day. I loved every moment of the outside as much as I could take it. It was windy, but it was beautiful. It's Tyler's Crab House. Or yeah, I think that's the name of it, Tyler's Crab House. But I will put the description below or somewhere on the screen with their address, and they're located in North Beach. Very nice husband and wife couple. I've been going there for more than 7 years. I know more than 7 years. That's the only place I go and get them from. And they drive an hour and a half from their home to come to work and bring the crabs in, towards the beach part. So I appreciate them. And if you can support them, if you're in the DMV area, check them out. You will love it. Made fresh to order each time you go in. Nothing sitting around. And they're nice people. And you should try them.